In this video, we're going to explore the parent account. You'll notice two very important menu items in the parent account. One is School Resources. The School Resources tab will take you to an information page that gives you Brightspace help videos, calendars, handbooks, handy links, as well as RCOA school subscription information. To return to your main page at any time, click the Home button at the very top of the screen. Another area that is unique to the parent login is the parent portal. The parent portal will list each of your children as well as a quick summary of overdue work, upcoming work, and recent grades. To see more information about your child, click on the child. Here we see a quick overview of what has been done. We can look at all the grades by clicking on View All Grades. We'll see along the side we have all the different courses that child has been enrolled in. To see the specifics about that, just click on the course. When you're done, you can go back to the dashboard. If your child has work to do, it will show up here. And if the teacher has posted to the activity feed, that will appear down below. Again, to return to the main page, click on Home. Another area that will give a more in-depth look at your children is called the Auditor view. If we scroll down, we will see this widget called Auditors. Please click on Audit Users. Here we see a list of our children. Click on the child you'd like to explore in greater depth. Along the left-hand side, it shows all the courses the child is enrolled in. You can click on any of the courses to get more information about them. Here we see an overview of the grades received for this subject, and we can go in and take a closer look at what has been achieved. You have different areas you can view along the side as well. You can look at grades specifically, assignments, quizzes, discussions. Content is a good way to get kind of an overview of everything. Another thing to look at is the settings to make sure they are set up correctly in your account. So click on your name. We want to click on Notifications. One of the first things we need to do is enable email notifications. To do this, click on Enable Email Notifications and type in your email address here. Once you have done that, the system will send an email to that email address that needs to be clicked on and verified. You may also be able to enter your mobile number to get instant alerts. To do this, click on Register Your Mobile Number and fill in the information that it's asking there. The system will send a text message to you with a code in order to verify your mobile number. Once at least one of those contact methods has been done, scroll down the page. And here we have a weekly summary of your children. This is one way to keep kind of a bird's eye view as to what the children are doing. You can set the day and time that you receive these. Or you can turn that off as well if you're finding you're getting too many emails. For instant notifications, we recommend having announcement updated and new announcements available always selected. These are important as if a teacher has to cancel a class for some reason, this is how that news will be shared. When you have made the changes and added all of the different items that you would like to receive instant notifications for, you can click Save. You may also notice some courses in My Courses. The High School Family Fruit Salad is a very important course for high school families as it gives lots of information about the high school program. Please take some time and look at this if you are a high school family. You may also notice some other courses here as well. You can click on the course, and then if you click Audit Users once you're inside the course, you'll see only the child that pertains to that course that you can select and see more information on. We hope that gives you a brief overview how to use a parent dashboard. Feel free to explore and look around. You might discover some new things as well.